head. Every dream I built with you slips away like morning dew. Slips away like morning dew. Tried to run but I can't escape from every memory we made. I tell myself that you're not mine, but every day I cross that line. Flames turn cold, but they still burn. Ashes fall with no return. Every heartbeat calls your name, and every breath feels just the same. Yeah, I'm healing, but it's slow. Letting go, but I still bleed even now through all the pain. You're the wound that remains. Leaves keep falling at my feet, like every promise we didn't keep. I say your name into the air, but silence is the answer there.